Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into some of the hottest kitchen tools on the market. We'll be giving you an in-depth look at each product's features and performance. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started on transforming your culinary experience. Hey coffee lovers! Are you tired of dealing with complicated coffee makers that make a mess and don't brew the perfect cup? Well, I've found the solution, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. This amazing coffee maker is not only affordable, but it also has all the features you could ever want. The buttons are clear and easy to use, placed exactly where they should be. I love the carafe design. It's comfortable to hold and pour smoothly, without drips or spills. Plus, the basket removes easily for cleaning. And the best part? This coffee maker has a sneaker cup feature. This genius function lets you pour yourself a cup of coffee mid-brew without overflowing the carafe. No more waiting for the whole pot to finish before you can enjoy your first cup. Furthermore, the big rubberized buttons are easy to press even with sleepy fingers. And the clear display shows you the clock, brew time, and even lets you program your brewing for ultimate convenience. Honestly, compared to all the other coffee makers, this one is hands down my favorite. It's affordable, easy to use, and makes delicious coffee. So ditch the wait and upgrade your mornings with the Black Decker coffee maker. The second tools in the list is Aroma Rice Cooker. This little guy might be compact, but don't let its size fool you. It perfectly cooks anywhere from 2 to 6 cups of rice, which is perfect for a weeknight dinner for 2 or a weekend gathering with friends. The best part, it's incredibly simple to use. Just one touch operation. You literally throw in your rice and water, press a button, and walk away. But this isn't just a one-trick pony. This rice cooker can handle way more than just rice. Soups, jambalaya, chili, you name it. This little powerhouse can cook it. Plus, cleaning up is a breeze. The removable non-stick pot wipes clean easily, and the tempered glass lid lets you keep an eye on your food without lifting it. Overall, the Aroma Rice Cooker is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. It's affordable, user-friendly, and versatile. If you're looking for a way to make perfect rice every time and explore other delicious dishes, this little guy is definitely worth checking out. The Hamilton Peach Electric Vegetable Chopper is our next product in the list. Let's face it, chopping vegetables can be a real chore. Time consuming, your eyes water from onions, and forget about uniformly chopped nuts. This little guy right here is a game changer. The first thing you'll notice is the super user-friendly design. No more wrestling with complicated parts or struggling with twist locks. Just place your ingredients in the bowl, stack the lid on top, and give it a press. This chopper might be compact, but it's mighty. With a 3-cup capacity, it's perfect for everyday chopping tasks. Need to whip up some salsa, dice some onions for stir fry? This little machine handles it all. Its small size means it won't take up precious counter space when you're not using it. Don't let the name fool you. This chopper isn't afraid of a challenge. The sharp, durable stainless steel blades can tackle a variety of ingredients. From chopping onions and carrots to pureeing garlic and herbs, this chopper gets the job done. Overall, the Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. It saves time and helps create delicious meals with perfectly chopped ingredients. If you're looking for a way to simplify your food, I highly recommend checking out this little powerhouse. The last product in the list is Elite Gourmet Cool Touch Toaster. First up, check out these extra wide slots. They're 1.25 inches wide, perfect for thick bagels, waffles, or even those fancy artisan breads. With 6 browning levels, you can get your toast exactly how you like it, from a light golden brown to a perfectly crisp dark. Speaking of safety, this toaster has a cool touch exterior. No more accidentally burning your fingers while reaching for your toast. It also features a handy cancel function, so you can stop the toasting cycle anytime if you need to. This toaster is a real space saver. It's lightweight and compact, making it perfect for small apartments, dorm rooms, or even your office kitchen. So, if you're looking for a versatile, safe, and space-saving toaster, the Elite Gourmet Cool Touch Toaster is a great option. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome product reviews.